on there pretty tight because I was kind of finagling this quite a bit. And then my knife propped it up, slid it up, and I was like, oh, okay. So that's how that comes apart. All right, so the gumball machine is completely dismantled. Now it's time to begin the process of paint removal. All right, so our pieces are now at their barest form. Probably, they haven't been this bare since the machine was probably manufactured. So, that being said, I'm gonna begin preparation for painting.